Hello my hair warriors, it's me, Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. This video today is sponsored by my friends at Lordhair.com. What are we going to talk about today? We are going to be talking about glue versus tape. This is a question I get asked all of the time and we are going to get in depth, down and dirty. So here we go. Glue versus tape. First up is hold strength. Glue typically provides a stronger hold than tape. It can withstand more movement and humidity, making it suitable for active lifestyles. Tape, on the other hand though, offers a less aggressive hold, which may be preferred for those with sensitive skin or who want easier removal, which is, well, I like easier removal. Then there's durability. Glue tends to be more durable and can last longer between applications compared to tape. However, tape is easier to replace and can be more convenient for regular maintenance, which is pretty cool. Then we have application. Glue requires more precision during application. It can be messy, which is really annoying if not applied correctly. Tape is easier to apply and can be a quicker process, especially for beginners, and removal and all that good stuff. Comfort. Some people find glue more comfortable than tape, as it can be really thin and less noticeable, extremely realistic on the scalp. However, this can vary depend on individual preferences and, of course, sensitivities. Then we have removal. Glue typically requires a solvent for removal, which can be time-consuming and extremely messy. Tape is easier to remove and leaves less residue on the scalp. Super quick, super easy, we don't have time. Next up, we have skin sensitivity. Those with sensitive skin, like me, may find tape more comfortable and less irritating than glue, which can sometimes cause reactions or skin irritation, so make sure that you do a patch test just to make sure. Then we have cost. The cost of glue can vary depending on the brand, quality. Generally, tape is more affordable and may be a better option for those on a budget and want to save some dollars. The type of adhesive you use also depends on the base of your hair system. For instance, if you are wearing a thin skin or an ultra thin skin, I would tend and recommend to use glue. Doesn't rip as often, it keeps it a bit more durable, but if you decide to use, say, lace or a combination of lace and thin skin, you can use tape. That's what I always recommend, even though I generally use tape in most of my systems because that's just what I like to do and it's personal preference. But if you want to get durability and for your system to last longer, make sure you go with Lordhair's recommendations. Glue for your thin skin, or if you're wearing lace, use some tape. Ultimately, the choice between glue and tape depends on your personal preferences, lifestyle, and your lovely skin sensitivities. It may be helpful to try both options to see which one is best for you. Now that we've talked about the different factors of tape and glue, now we're going to talk about them individually. So let's start off with tape. Now, tape does come in different shapes and sizes. You can get them in rolls, but you can also get them in pre-cut tapes. You have what I call your V for anyone who has a little bit of dip in their hair system. We also have the C contour as well, which again is something that just scoops around the hairline. And then we have the Extend the Bond. This is a really strong tape. I'm talking about strong tapes. That tape does come in different levels of adhesion. One from a lower where it can last a day or two, sometimes up to maybe 5 days. Then you can have tape that can last up to even 3 or 4 weeks. Not only that, but your tape can come in matte or shiny. You have so much choice. Types of glue. There are several types of adhesive glues used for hair system, each with its own characteristics and their own benefits. Here's some common types and comparisons of their features. So we'll start off with water-based glue. Water-based glues are typically gentle on the skin and very easy to clean up, which we all love. And their benefits, they provide a strong hold and are suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin, just like me. So what are their drawbacks? They may not be as durable in human conditions and may require more frequent touch-ups. So just be aware when you go away on your holidays. Next up are acrylic-based glues. Acrylic-based glues offer a very strong hold and are water resistant, so you don't have to worry while you're swimming. They're very durable and can withstand humidity and sweat, so you're not going to have that big hair. Acrylic-based glues can be more challenging to remove and may cause a little bit of skin irritation in some people, which is very rare. Then we have silicone-based glues. Silicone-based glues are very flexible, comfortable on the skin, which I know I really like too. They provide a strong hold and are gentle on the skin, which is very important, making them suitable again for very sensitive skin. Silicone-based glues may require more frequent touch-ups and can be somewhat more expensive than other types, so don't be afraid to spend a little bit of extra money. Then we have solvent-based glues. Solvent-based glues are strong and are really long-lasting. You can't even get it off your head. They provide a secure hold in humid conditions and can last for several weeks, which again, I like that as well, but it depends on your situation. Solvent-based glues can be harsh on the skin and may cause irritation or reactions in some individuals, but again, it's really rare. But always do a patch test. They also require a solvent for removal, which can be a little bit time consuming. When choosing your glue for your hair system, consider your skin type, your lifestyle, the climate you live in. It's super important, and also test them. It's also essential to follow your manufacturer's instructions on applications, removal, just to ensure you get the best result, you don't get any skin irritation, and you have the most long-lasting, beautiful hair system that you could ever want. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed and you were educated more on hair systems and their application, glues, tapes, and all that. If you have any more questions, just put them in the comments below. Don't forget to click the links and follow, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!